Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to show you how you can create an YouTube intro and YouTube outro without any skills, any editing software or any money. Absolutely free. So first what you have to do, just go to this website, link will be in the description. It's called Canva. And once you're on the website, just quickly sign up and then go to the home page and tap on the search bar. Now search for YouTube intro like this. And once the tab has been loaded, you can see that there are multiple templates you can choose from to make your YouTube intro. So right now I'm selecting this one right here and it will load. So once it's loaded, you can just quickly change the text to whatever you want. I'm gonna rename it to pasta tech, just a second, tech tips. So, and I'll quickly remove this text. As you can see, I have made my intro in just a matter of seconds, and to test it, just you can click this button right here which shows the play button, and there you go, my intro is made. So to change the music, just render this video in your editing software and change the music there. So once you have made your intro, just click this button and click on download. So it will render for some seconds and then it will download. So as you can see, the video has been rendered and it just got downloaded. So this is how you create an YouTube intro quickly. Okay, so now we are gonna create an YouTube outro. So like you have typed YouTube intro, just quickly type YouTube outro. And yeah, as you can see, I have lots of templates to choose from. So I'll choose this template right here. And I'll change the text here. Pasta tech tips. You can write anything here you want, anything at all. So I have typed pasta tech tips, subscribe, and then as you can see that this outro includes some end cards. You can place your channel here and other videos here. I'll remove this text, and as you can see, I'll just quickly click on download and then I'll select MP4 video and then download. So the video has been downloaded and there you go. You have created your YouTube intro, outro in just a matter of minutes. So if you like this video, give it a like, subscribe for more tips, and if you have any queries, just tell me in the comment section. Thank you for watching.